Hello, this is a video tour of 77 Ness Avenue. This building comes with an amazing rooftop deck. There is also a very large gym, and one-car parking is available to rent with this unit. We're going to be touring unit 502. Very spacious, light-filled studio. And here we are, you walk in, there is a beautiful kitchen with stainless refrigerator, dishwasher. There's a stainless sink, gas range, microwave. Here is the coat closet, so right as you walk in, it's conveniently located. Here's the main room. This unit also does come with private laundry machines. These are stackable machines that come with the unit. Beautiful wood floors. This is the view from the window here. And this is a large studio with a flexible floor plan as well. And the main room also has another large closet here. This goes all the way back. And here is the full bathroom. There's a tub and shower combination, nice modern sink, good sized shower head. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.